Hey, welcome to another video from DD Aero Photography. Here we are in downtown Eastport. We're going to do another video, see what's going on with the construction in a little bit in LaGrange. We're going to go down there to Long Prairie and Merritt Field. And also check out the $1 million designer homes, verandas. All right, here we are. We brought the trusty Tundra down here to Eastport. We're going to drive all over around here, down the south side, check it out. Hey, how you doing? I'm still here in still here in Eastport. And I just want to tell you about some of my favorite restaurants here in Eastport. We have Sunday's Ice Cream Shop. Then you have Four Rivers and Victory and Boosters. Oh, they're in Middleton. Yeah, no restaurants here that I would eat at again. It's been one and done. I do like Portside. Freaking guest there at Portside. Can't wait for tacos and tequilas. Hopefully it is a good restaurant. But yeah, if I was going to eat, I'd go to Middleton. Would not stop here in Eastport unless you're going to do it one and done. Drop your comments down below. Tell me how wrong I am about the restaurants here in Middleton, or Eastport. Maybe they'll get better here in Eastport. But right now, one and done. Check them out. Hey, my last video I told you about Four Rivers being my favorite restaurant, but check it out on the back of my truck there. This little sticker. It's was it Peace, Love, and Four Rivers? Yeah, I got that last time I went to Four Rivers restaurant the next day. So it's approved by Coco and I. So go out and check out Four Rivers. All right, here we are over at Eastport, checking out the driving range and the Bellaire Executive Golf Course. You can see it is a nice, wonderful day in the 80s. They have some really good green grass to hit the balls on. You can see down there by the driving range, you can park your golf cart right up there by the edge. Okay, we're going to take a nice look here of the Executive Golf Course. You have a putting practice green. As we pan up, that is the Bellaire Executive Golf Course. What I like about the Bellaire Executive Golf Course is all the water. It makes it very challenging, and you have no idea what might be lurking on the edge of the water as you play this wonderful 9-hole executive golf course. The village of Lakeview. As you can see here in the village of Lakeview, they have some lots graded. They have some forms for the foundation. You can see they have the water lines and the drain lines on some of the properties. You see that other people want to check out what's going on in Lakeview also. Driving around, checking it out. Maybe checking out their lot. You can see down there they have all the trailers parked. You can see the Postal and Rec Center there, how far along they have gotten. You see they've planted all the shrubbery around the Lake Center, or the Postal Center there. You can see the verandas up in the corner on the left side of the screen being built. You can see them under roof. You can see they have some others with walls and some with the foundations poured. So come around, check out all the villas that they have built in that corner there. They're building those villas up pretty good. But you can see that they have started building the verandas. Some with pools down there. Check that out. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Right there by the Postal Rec Center. And there's a villa right across from the Postal Rec Center with a pool. But you can see they have started building the premier and designer homes that people have bought the lots on and wanted their house to be built on here in the village of Lakeview. Right, the village of LaGrange. Alright, now we're just going to pan to the west here. check out the lake, check out the village here. Look at what's getting built. Look at all the houses along the lake. There's probably, I don't know, a handful that don't have some sort of pool in the backyard. See the golf courses, looks really nice. But over here in the corner, this is the verandas that are for sale for $1 million. I mean, they're just a designer home with a pool and walls on Central Lake. Check them out. Man, for $1 million, you can have a designer, a veranda. Check out this guy walking here. He must be wanting to get to the coffee shop there at Eastport. I've always said it. When people come down here, they live the best life they can. They don't come down here to die. Man, it's like their second teenage years. Another one, look at them. Going to get coffee. Alright, the village of Long Prairie. Alright, that is the Mustang Rec Center. Mustang Sally. Alright, we're going to orbit around and we're going to do a different type of view of the Mustang Rec Center. Mustang Sally. If you can give me a thumbs up if you're liking this video, and it'll help me with the YouTube algorithm. I don't know why. I think they ought to build more pickleball courts around the rec center. Alright, this is the Beauty Berry Executive Golf Course down here. Then coming in off the right side of the screen, that is the Long Prairie Postal and Rec Center. Right next door to the Mustang Sally Rec Center. Alright, we're going to take a look at Long Prairie here. And then you can see that they have 2 golf courses that are intertwined to the Long Prairie village here. That is a good thing for this village. You do have a lot of lots on the golf course, a lot of water. I mean, it's not too far with a car drive to Eastport, so it's a very nice village close to Eastport, but not too close. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day, plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and a neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time. Operators are standing by. Call now. As we fly north here, you're looking northwest at the village of Long Prairie. And look at the lot down here below with the pavement. That's not for a house to be built on. I'm wondering if this is going to be the new Street of Dreams. Because you have that lot down there. You have the lot on the other side of the golf course. To me, it looks like parking lots. It could be where the new Street of Dreams is going to be at. It makes sense. Look at some of the lots. They're already graded. So I do believe that they are going to start building down here in the village of Long Prairie, doing the Street of Dreams. So I think I have found the Street of Dreams and down here in Long Prairie. Right along the golf course. And that's good for the designer and premier homes that they like to build with some pools. I think the ones in the middle, those are going to be villas. But the ones along the golf course and down the street there that are graded, I think those are going to be designer and premier homes for the new Street of Dreams. All right, we're here at the Pullman Rec Center. And this is where the starter shack is for the 2 executive golf courses. Now the only bad thing about this is you got to drive all the way down to Marsh Bend and go north up Marsh Bend to get back home. There's no shortcut across there if you're taking a golf cart. This is where the Pullman Rec Center is going to be built at. And you can see they have no plans on building it yet. I'm sure they're going to get the Mustang Sally Center done first. We're going to fly north up here like we did last time. We're going to come up here to the corner up by the walking path that goes all the way over to Shady Brook and Moultrie Creek and through Water's Edge. It's a nice scenic walk. You might see alligators, you'll see people walking their dogs, you'll see snakes, you'll see birds. It's a nice, lovely walk. And it's quiet too. You can see all the lots down there, so if you see a lot you want to build on, keep in mind when it becomes available, call your sales agent. Alright, we're going to do a 180, turn around here. This is the village of Merritt Field. Right down there is Bob Run. You can see the fire station. We're going to pan to the right, check out the lots. There's still lots that's down there for sale. At the time of this is being recorded, this is Saturday, April 11th. So if you're looking for a house on a golf course, it's an executive golf course, there's still some down there on Bob Run. We pan off to the right, and you will see that they are starting to build the Merritt Field Postal and Rec Center. And look at all the lots they have down there. So if you're planning on coming to the villages, don't fret. They're going to have a lot for you. I mean, if there's all these lots down here, there's always a used house for sale. It's a wonderful place to live and lots to do. Over 3,000 clubs here in the villages. I mean, you can play golf for free for the rest of your life here in the villages, as long as you play on an executive golf course. Because if you play on the championship golf courses, then you got to pay. But this is the Postal Rec Center for Merritt Field. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Here's another video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy of mine. Thank you.